read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I need your positive behavior, same like that. On today's number is number 12. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 12. Okay? After that, order in sequence number to 12. So first of all, we will develop the concept of counting. How to count different objects. First of all, take 10 rupee note and 2 coins. You could take 12 coins as well. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 coins. Here is 10 rupee note and 2 coins. 10, 11, 12. 10 and 2, 12. You could utilize different material from your class. You could call 6 boys and 6 girls. Okay? And you could count the tables. You could count the chairs, you could count the pencils to clear the concept how to count and how to write. After developing the sense of counting, we are coming towards how to trace number 12. Students know very well how to write number 1, how to write number 12. So we will recall that concept again. Start from the red dot, count straight down. It will make number 1. Make a cap. Slant down, sleeping line. Okay, it will make number 2. 10 and 2, 12. Very good. So, I hope so you understood and you will teach same like that. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.